Governor Rick Perry will be inside an Austin courtroom this morning for a pretrial hearing on his felony charges.
Today's actually the third pretrial hearing, but the first one Governor Perry has been required to attend. Kate Whitehall is live for us outside the Criminal Justice Complex with your details. Good morning.
Good morning. Well, today, Governor Rick Perry's attorneys are going to try to get this case dismissed on two technicalities. Now, right now, Perry is facing two felony counts of abuse of power for threatening to veto state funding for the Public Integrity Unit and trying to force Travis County District Attorney Rosemary Lumberg to step down after her DWI arrest. Well, today, Judge Burt Richardson will consider whether prosecutor Michael McCrum must provide the transcript of the grand jury proceedings to Perry's lawyers. McCrum has stated that the grand jury proceedings under state law can be secret, and at this point, Perry's attorneys have not given a good reason for the release of the transcript. Judge Richardson would also consider if McCrum's appointment as special prosecutor was legal. McCrum has stated that the defense's actions to try and get this case dismissed are very unusual. Now, the hearing is scheduled for 10 o'clock this morning. Of course, we will be inside for all that's going to be happening. But you might remember last time the governor showed up here at the courthouse to have his mugshot taken. There were quite the crowds out here, but it might be a little bit different of a scene. We're going to tell you more about that coming up in 30 minutes. For now, we're live outside the Travis County Criminal Justice Complex. Kate Whitehall, KXAN News.
All right, Kate, thank you. Now, here's a closer look at the difference between grand juries and trial juries. Texas law lays out very specific guidelines on who can and cannot be in the courtroom. When a grand jury hears a case, there's no judge present or defense attorneys. The only people who can be in the grand jury room are grand jurors, prosecutors, and witnesses, as well as some court staff like stenographers and bailiffs. Now, grand juries also do not have to vote unanimously to indict like a jury trial does. And that means it's possible as few as 9 of the 12 grand jurors voted to indict Governor Perry on his 2 criminal counts. Now, Governor Perry's pretrial hearing is expected to start at 10 o'clock this morning, and we will stream that for you live on KXAN.com.